I know you probably be wondering, what is an electrician doing with a biro, trying to make a circle? Is he not supposed to use plier or screwdriver to do whatever he wants to do? Or better still, use wire to do whatever he wants to do? What is an electrician doing with a biro? Calm down. So now let me take you through the process of how that circle and the reason why I decided to draw a circle on that petition. So the purpose of me making this curtain on this wall, rather on this fence, is to get a design. There's a lighting design I want to install on this fence on each of the partition. So after cutting it, I had to get the measurement from the square that is inside to get the center. So there's no better way to get it rather than to measure each angle. So after measured it, I got the middle. So I marked the middle. After marking it, so from the 4 square, each of the angle, the edge side, after marking it, I use my rope to line it, and after marking it, I had to mark to get my circle. This was it. I was very careful while doing this. I never wanted anyone, I didn't want anybody rather to disturb me. Even when something was biting me in my leg, I wasn't paying attention to it. So I was very careful and I got it. So if I had made any mistake, it would have shown here. So one thing about practicalizing or anything about practical is you can't forge it. It is what you do. If what you are doing is right, it will show. If what you are doing is wrong, it will as well show on what you are doing. The result will tell you if what you did was right or wrong. So I haven't done that. That's the design, the proposed design for that fence. The lighting point, that's how the lighting point will be. But the circle there will not be used. Will not make use of that circle. Will not make use of that circle. So that circle there is just to get a perfect measurement. As you can see, I was just busy measuring them to make sure that place I use as my center point is actually the center point for the 4 lights that will be coming. So I was just measuring it, and I realized everything was okay. And that wasn't enough. I had to measure the other side as well. So that was actually what I was doing. So if you watch this video up to this moment, just hit me a like. Make sure from this angle to here must be equal with these 4 angles, because the design we're about to make here is there will be light reflecting from this 4 square, a light around me. Then from here there will be a light here, and here. So this circle, there won't be light here. The reason why we did this circle is to get the center. So that's all. So here and here must be the same measurement. And here, this 4 lines, here to here the same, here to here the same, here to here the same, and here from the middle as well to each of the lights must be the same measurement. So now the design is carved. Yeah, say hi to the camera. Speak Ghana. Akwaba.
Yeah.
Akwaba.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Akwaba. Coffee na person name will no be coffee with it. Coffee Akwaba. Kwame. They don't give me another name. Kwame. And my name be days of the week. All right. So the thing is carved out. So later I will start cutting.